going on, boys? Today we're gonna make a goofy new jazz type beat, something for like BB Tricks, Ice Spice, and also Cairo Keys, something kind of in the middle there. We're not gonna do like the goofy Amir type stuff. We're gonna make it a bit more like melodic, kind of like mainstream sounding. I'm really just like chasing that BB Tricks placement. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys the chords, I'm gonna show you guys the drums, I'm gonna show you guys some sauce. Hopefully you guys will learn something. But anyway, let's get right to it. Real quick, shout out to everybody who made it to the beat battle. Shout out to PLB, he's the winner. Make sure to join the next one. It's gonna be December 14th. So yeah, lock in, join our Discord. Hopefully my camera doesn't cut out this time. Praying for the best. All right, so for these beats, you want your BPM to be somewhere around like 120 to about 140. That being said, I think we're gonna rock out with a 133. Why not? And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my Untitled kit. I'm just gonna grab some sort of key one shot. Let's grab this like EP phase, and then I'm gonna go over here to the envelope, put the attack all the way down, leave the release like this. Okay, we're gonna go over here to the piano roll. Let's get started on our chords. So for our scale, we're just in C minor. If you guys want to change your scale, just go over here to this drop down right here, go to view, and then scale highlighting, and over here you guys can select whatever, and that'll basically change your highlighters. But anyway, so we're gonna stick with C minor. A good method I found that works for building these kinds of chord progressions is we're gonna count 8 notes from C right here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we get rid of these, and then this is going to be our root note. So we're going to start building our chords from here, and you can do the same thing in any scale. So say you start in A sharp minor, you would start from here and then count 8 notes up, and then you guys would build from there. But anyway, we got our first root note right here, and we're just going to build a minor chord. So to build a minor chord from here, you just count 3 notes up. So this is 1, 2, 3, and then get rid of these. And now from this note, you count 4 notes up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Get rid of these, and now we have just a minor triad. And we're just gonna pitch this down, and to do that, just hold Control and then click and drag, and then hit Control down arrow. So this is what it sounds like. And then from here, we're gonna build our next chord. Just go 1 note up from our root note, and we'll do something like this. Gives it that tension. Here we're gonna build some sort of like weird chord. I don't know. Okay, that's kind of cool. I like how this sounds. I don't know what kind of chord this is, but it sounds good. So for this chord, I want to like reverse the notes. To do that, I'm just gonna take this note right here, double click it, go over here to make it a slide note, hit accept, and then take these notes right here, hold Control to select, and then hold Alt, scroll wheel down. We're gonna put the velocities all the way down, and then what it's gonna do is it's gonna play the sound like in reverse. And I think we're gonna do like a quick reverse right here, and then actually just have it hit the chord. Yeah, I think that sounds better. Hit Command B. And now I think I'm gonna try just adding a few notes just to kind of sauce it up. Maybe we slide this, and then let's just change the note color. So when you change the note colors, only these 2 notes will slide. And then maybe right here we'll slide it to a B. Actually no, we'll just add that B. Like this note is out of key, but it works. It just adds some tension. Yeah. Oh, I like that. Okay, so now that we got our chords down, let's get another layer. So just right click on the sound, hit clone. Maybe something like this. I might go through a couple, and then just click on our sound, right click, hit copy, right click on the other sound, hit paste. Let's change that one shot though. Now that we got our 2 sounds down, let's get a lead and kind of like glide it on the 1 or like somewhere in between, you know, just add some extra texture to it. Untitled kit, and let's get some sort of lead. Let's try this one, and then we're just gonna go over here, put the release all the way down, and we're just gonna add some slide notes. Wait, maybe we won't slide it. Wait, one sec, let's try this. I think we're gonna keep this for like the verse part or something like that, but I'm just gonna mute it for now. Anyway, let's get another lead, and we're just gonna kind of like glide it on like the 1, you know, just give it a little extra texture, a little flavor on top. Let's just find a random note to kind of like slide. And let's reverse this one. So let's take this note velocity here, hold Alt, scroll wheel down, put the velocity all the way down, and now it's gonna play in reverse. Okay, so I like that. We're just gonna add one more melody. We're gonna add like a main lead. Just gonna go to my Untitled kit, try to find a lead I like in here. Let's try this one right here, and then we're gonna go over to the envelope with this attack and release all the way down. Go over here to this wrench, hit port on, and then set the max to 1. Now basically it's gonna glide. You see what I'm saying? It like glides into the next. We're gonna go back into the piano roll and we're just gonna like click in a lead. And then with our lead here, we're just trying to make it like repetitive, but also kind of like change it up a little bit. If you guys hold Alt and then click a note, it'll turn off like the snap to grid, so you can just place notes anywhere. Like, you see what I mean? Let's just switch those up, just a little variation. We're just gonna add an extra note right here. Let's just make it like super short. Also, just like mess around with like the lengths of the notes. So just hold Alt and then you guys can like drag it like without snapping to grid. Alright, so now that we got our lead done, I want to add one more key layer just to kind of like make our chords sound like thicker. And any of these sounds that are labeled as leads, if you want to use them for your chords, like go ahead, you know what I mean? Just because it's labeled a lead doesn't mean you can't use it for your chords. So do whatever you want. Ooh, that's perfect. I'm just gonna try a different lead sound too. I like this one, but let's just try a different one. Let's take all our melodies and let's just pitch them up a couple semitones. So to do that, go over here and just click and drag and then go to this arrow here, go to transpose selected. Let's pitch it up. Let's try 3. Let's do 2 more. So click right here, go over to this arrow, go to transpose, and let's do 2 more. Let's take this E. I'm just gonna move it up. We're gonna do the same thing for these. We're gonna get rid of this E note. We're just gonna pitch it up. Let's go over here. Let's pitch this up. Okay, so I like how this sounds. Let's just get all our melodies, add them to the mixer, and start on the drums. So first thing, we're gonna add our sounds to the mixer. Click right here, click and drag. Go over here to open the mixer. Let's go to track 1, hit Shift, Control L. Now we have all our sounds in the mixer. I'm just gonna low cut our keys right here just to get rid of the lows. And then we're just doing this just to make more room for like the 808 and stuff. So now that I just got like a rough EQ on our keys, let's get started on the drums. And I'm gonna be using my Untitled kit. Everybody who already copped it, the full version is out now. So just double check your email. The update is going to be there, and make sure to check your spam. Appreciate all you guys for supporting, everybody who copped it. I might do even another update. I want to add some more like vocal presets. Anyway, let's get started on the drums. Let's start with a clap. Okay, let's get a crash and let's get a hi-hat. Oh, I also added some hi-hat midis. Super goated right here. So let's try some of these midis. Let's try a different hi-hat midi. I like this MIDI right here. I'm just gonna change out our hi-hat. And then also, I'm gonna just mute this sound right here. Or maybe this. Just add some extra space. I think this one. Let's get an 808. Get a spins, and we're also going to use like a couple different 808s, probably like 3 max. This is velocity down. Yeah, let's get another 808. I'm gonna grab this bell one, and we'll use it as like a transition right here. Let's just slide it. This one we're gonna reverse. I got a penny extra here. We're gonna add another 808. Let's clone this up. And I want to get this R3. Maybe do it right here. I'm just gonna do a couple changes with the sounds. I think I'm gonna change out the hi-hat and I'm gonna look for a better clap. Try a different hi-hat MIDI. Let's add some percs. I'll grab this live snare. I'm gonna grab this bell perc from Dom's kit. Let's just try a different pitch. I'm gonna take all these, hold shift, and then you can select multiple sounds, and then go over here to this arrow, transpose, and let's do -1. Let's let's just take our drum sounds, click right here, go over here to the mixer, and let's add them to our mixer. Hit Shift Control L, and now we have our drum sounds in the mixer. I want to try a different lead. Let's go into Surge. And let's just go to leads. Let's just find a random one, and let's just copy our main lead, and let's go over here to all. Basically turn off the effects because the effects are kind of crazy, and then also just like turn it down because I don't know, for some reason it's just mad loud. I think this is cool. This is pretty good for the melody. I do kind of want to add like one more key sound just to make it sound fuller. I don't know, it's just something with the chords just isn't sounding exactly how I want it. Let's just try this trusty Glock-in. Just go to the envelope, put the attack all the way down, put the release all the way down, and let's just copy our chords. And maybe we add this note right here and just pitch it down. Okay, so now I'm gonna arrange it and mix everything. First things first, we're gonna arrange it. To do that, go over here to where it says pattern, right click, hit split by channel, go over here to open the playlist. We're just gonna take all our melodies right here, click the first one, hit shift on the last one, and then drag it in. Now we have all our sounds in here. We're gonna chop this lead a little bit, just give it a little variation. I'm happy with how that's sounding. I'm just gonna add my tag and let's get a little freestyle. I'm gonna go to my Untitled kit and I added this jerk preset, so I'm just gonna try it out. Put it to bass, turn the auto all the way up though. Yeah, I ran it up on the low. Shout out that phone, keep it on low. Hit on that gas on slow. Yo, if you guys are recording and you guys want to get rid of all these tracks you're not using, go over here to where it says tools, macros, used audio clips, and it gets rid of all the ones you're not using. Low. That's on the whole like no. Frittata on a bro. Stepping on a hoe. Anyway, guys, I try to rap on it for like 30 minutes. It's not really my type beat. I don't really know the flow for it, so whatever. It's still a fire beat though. Anyway, if you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see next. And if you guys already caught the Untitled kit, I sent out the update, so the V2 version should be in your email. Just double check your spam. Yeah, shout out to everybody who made it to our beat battle. Shout out the winner, PLB. If you guys want to participate in the next beat battle, it's December 14th. Join our Discord. There's gonna be more information there. I'm gonna show you guys the Underdog tees. If you guys want one of these tees, go check out our site. There should be more on the store. And yeah, join our Discord. Go get my Untitled kit. Go get our free 5K kit. And follow me on Instagram at @ProudMayze. Follow me on Twitter. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.